Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python script to input a number and print its preceding and succeeding number. So preceding refers to the previous of the given number, that is you have to decrement a number, and succeeding refers to the next number. So you have to increment a number by 1 and print it. So let's take an example. So this is my sample. Number is 5, so preceding refers to the previous number. So let's decrement the number by 1, that is 5 minus 1 will give you the previous number, that is 4, and succeeding number you have to increment it, that is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So this is the succeeding number, that is next number, and preceding refers to the previous of the given number. Yeah, so after understanding this, so let's try to solve the Python program. That is, let me take a variable number equals to, so let's ask a user to enter a number. So I'll be using the input function call, and let's say enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so let's convert these to an integer type because input returns a string type. So once we are done with getting a number, so let's take preceding, that is variable p, and decrement the number, that is number minus 1 will give you the previous of the given number, and s, so succeeding number variable, and we have to increment a number, that is number plus 1 will give us the next of a given number. Yeah, so once we find the preceding and succeeding numbers, so let's use a print statement to print the previous or the preceding and succeeding numbers. So let me copy the same. Preceding number is, so let's paste it over here, and let me delete this. Preceding number is, so let's give colon, and let's directly print the variable, that is p. And now let's use again another statement, that is print statement, and let's again print the succeeding number. I have pasted the same whatever I have copied, and let's use is colon, and I have to print the s value, that is a variable s. So once we are done with the printing, yeah, so this is the complete Python script to input a number and prints its preceding and succeeding numbers. So let me execute this, and let me show you how it works. So enter a number, so let's take 5, that is a sample number, that is 5, and you can see the preceding number is 4 and succeeding number is 6. Let me close it and let me run it again. And here let's give 1000 as a number. So you can see the preceding number is 999 and succeeding number is 1001. Let me run it again. So let's give something like 500. So you can see the preceding number is 499 and succeeding number is 501. Yeah, so this is a complete Python script to input a number and print its preceding and succeeding numbers. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.